Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an effective belly fat cutter drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need two ingredients to make this healthy drink, and they are ginger and cloves. You can easily get these two ingredients in your kitchen. Take a small piece of ginger and peel off the skin and chop them into fine pieces. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure, and it is very good for your heart. The ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss, and lowers your blood sugar levels. Keep this ready. The second ingredient is cloves. Cloves has a lot of antioxidants. This fights against free radicals which damage your cells. Cloves reduce the risk of developing heart diseases, diabetics, and certain types of cancer. Now let's check out how to make this healthy drink. Add the chopped ginger to a mug like this. Then add in the cloves. To this add 1 cup of hot water. Close the mug and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, open and check. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this belly fat cutter drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.